How to use Netspend's Cardless ATM feature for cash withdrawals. Let's get started. Are you a Netspend cardholder looking to make cash withdrawals without your physical card? With Netspend's Cardless ATM feature, it's easy and convenient. Let's walk through the steps. Open your Netspend mobile app on your smartphone. Log into your account, then locate the Cardless ATM feature within the app. It's typically found under the More or Services section. Select the option to generate a withdrawal code. This code will be used instead of your physical card at ATM. When you arrive at the ATM, select the option for cardless transactions. Enter the withdrawal code generated in the app when prompted. Follow the ATM prompts to enter your PIN and select the amount of cash you wish to withdraw. Once the transaction is approved, collect your cash from the ATM. And finally, don't forget to secure your transaction by logging out of the Netspend app and ensuring your phone is safely secured. Well, this is how you can easily use Netspend's Cardless ATM feature for cash withdrawals. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.